mukwano gwange ensanyuse nate nti ozze tusome ffenna olwaleero essomo lye tugenda okukola ddyo kkulu nga mu luzungu bwe bagamba very important. Hello my dear friend, thank you again for always coming back. Even today you have decided to come back right here on our beautiful channel to learn. Today's lesson is so important. You need it, I need it, everybody in some time of their lives actually needs it. Okay, today we're going to talk about health, being healthy or being sick. Okay, have you ever been sick? Oh yeah, I understand, and I hope you won't fall sick again. So we are going to start with how you say I am sick in Luganda. Okay, again, if you're new here on this channel, we listen, then we watch and see, and then we speak. Okay, and the more we speak, the more we hopefully learn Luganda. Kuchane eno oba oli mupya tuwuliriza ne tulaba, wetumala okulaba ne twogera. Era nsuubira nti gy'okoma okwogera oba gy'onookoma okwogera gy'ojjokoma okuyiga Oluganda. Tuli wamu? Okay, let's start. So how do you say I am sick in Luganda? Ndi muradde. Ndi muradde. And how do you say I am not well? Siri bulungi. Siri bulungi. My friend, don't forget, you listen, you see. If I have anything to show, then you speak. Let's continue with I have a headache. Omutwe, which is head. Omutwe gunnuma. Omutwe gunnuma. Very good, my friend. When your belly is aching, olubuto lunnuma. I have a stomach upset or a stomach ache. Olubuto lunnuma. Very good, my friend. I have a cold. When you're coughing. I have a cold. Echifuba. Echifuba is chest. Echifuba. Echifuba chinnuma. Echifuba chinnuma. When you've got fever and the temperature has risen so high and you're so hot, or you feel like it's so hot in you, in Luganda you say omusujja gunnuma. Omusujja gunnuma. Now let's not confuse omusujja, high temperature, with omusujja gw'ensiri. That's malaria. Okay, ensiri is a mosquito. Fever, again, I have a fever is nino omusujja. I have a high temperature. Nino omusujja. Malaria is omusujja gw'ensiri. Omusujja gw'ensiri. Very good, my friend. In Luganda, if you want to say I want to go to a hospital, you will say njagala genda mu ddwaliro. Njagala genda mu ddwaliro. Njagala genda mu ddwaliro. Can I see a doctor, please? Neetaaga omusawo. Neetaaga omusawo. Neetaaga omusawo. So now when you get sick, maybe you have to call the daycare and let them know that you're sick and you can't go anywhere, or you can't go to school, or you can't go to work. So what you say in Luganda is sijja sobola genda ku ssomero. Again, sijja sobola genda ku ssomero. Sijja sobola genda ku ssomero. Now when you tell that someone on telephone, sijja sobola kujja ku ssomero, they will ask you why. Chichi. Ndi muradde. You remember? I am sick. Ndi muradde. Ndi muradde. Then that person might tell you, get well soon. In Luganda it's ojja kuwona mangu. Ojja kuwona mangu. Let me also give you more vocabulary on when you're sick. Obulumi is pain. Pain. Obulumi. 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 Injection. Injection. Ooh, you fear that one, don't you? Me too. Injection. Empiso. Empiso. The doctor is going to inject you. Omusawo agenda kukuba empiso. The doctor is going to inject you. Omusawo agenda kukuba empiso. Omusawo agenda kukuba empiso. Very good, my friend. Well, I hope you won't have to be injected. Okay. Painkiller. Eddagala. Painkiller. Eddagala. Painkiller. Eddagala. Doctor. Omusawo. Nurse. Omujjanjabi. Omujjanjabi. And in sometimes when you need another nurse, maybe a nursing mother, mulezi, omulezi, omulezi, because that's also a nurse. But otherwise in the hospital they're called, a nurse is called omujjanjabi. Omujjanjabi. If you want to say, I am going to take my medicine, take medicine. Okumira eddagala. Okumira eddagala. I am going to take my medicine. Ngenda kumira eddagala. Ngenda kumira eddagala. I am well. Mponye. Mponye. I am well. Mponye. Be well. Ogenda kuwona. Be well. Ogenda kuwona. So my friend, I very much hope that you won't get sick and maybe you won't need this vocabulary, but just in case, hey, we are safeguarded, okay? Also in Luganda, I hope you can communicate to your parents, to your teachers, you can call in the daycare or in the school or at work and let them know in Luganda that you are sick and you have to take a day or two off. So mukwano gwange kansubire nti vocabulary eno yonna ebigambo byenkuwadde tobyetaaga naye waliwo olunaku lutuuse n'obyetaaga ne mu Luganda ojja sobola okubyogera osobola okutegeeza abo bekikwatako nti oli mulwadde oba togenda kusobola kugenda ku mulimu oba mu kindergarten tojja kujja oba ne ku ssomero nti tosobole bale kujja n'oyiga nange olulimi Oluganda era komawo awula kyenkusaba kiri ekintu eki subscribing wansi awo waliwo akagundi kuliko subscribe okanyige n'akade okanyige nako tusobole okuwera ensi n'ensi emanye nti twogera Oluganda onookinkolera. So my dear friend, thank you so much for always tuning in, for always listening, watching and saying whatever I am showing and then speaking back. I believe that together very, very soon we'll be communicating Luganda on a different level. So I need you to do one thing for me, to do subscribe. We need the world to know that we speak Luganda, don't we now? Okay, because it's a beautiful, it's a heart language. Okay, so do subscribe and get onto the bell and do subscribe so that the whole world might know that there is a beautiful, beautiful language that each and every person, maybe they won't speak it, but they need to listen to this heart language. Will you do that for me? Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Ŵɛraba.